bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami Zitho will be talking about i-producer kaMakhathi and Karishma. Guys, if I do know a lot of people know uMakhathi, but if you don't know Karishma is a compo artist wale yangoma yayitrenda kakhulu last day, One Neta. Guys, that lady noMakhathi, they share i-producer which is Ubabete. Guys, Ubabete was once interviewed on spreading humors. Guys, go podcast Abuzile. It's on podcast and chill network. Guys, so recently the interviews Utribe Wadiposa, who is also a compo artist. Guys, I thought mina Utribe no shabby shit. Some of the songs that Tribe, I thought that shabby shit because it's soundable, fun and music fun. So I get to know more about Utribe, and I must say I love his personality and I do listen to his ngomas. Just that I didn't know that ezinye zezingoma zakhe I thought is a shabby because basanda ngokufana music kwabo usanda ngokufana, and so he did say ukuthi the reason ukuthi basanda ngokufana is because music ufaka ushabby shit, so bano-shabby shit, they knew each other back then. Ushabby shit angakangeni industry babuye emakhaya afana and ushabby shit umngani wa-uncle lakhe, so uye ushabby shit omfake kule industry music, so hence mhlambe basando as bayafana. So uthe makabuza abo, they were playing a game on Spreading Rumors because one must go. So uthe makabuza about the producers and he said producer lo wabo Makhathi mele ehambe, which is Ubabete. Guys, Ubabete is one person I think a lot of people mele bambek because he said he has 15 songs azenze Ubabete has released. Uzile complained about the very same thing, and we know that Uzile has been saying on podcast and chill that he doesn't want to do anything no music. Ubonile guti music industry is not industry yake, and there are a lot of things he don't want to talk about, but then good that industry. But on this episode, he got to say there are songs as in Ubabete, and Ubabete now akasaphendula ama-calls wakhe. Ubabete now akasarespond my message wakhe, and he even blocked him. Just imagine someone blocking you and a music wakhe. Yes, Ubabete ngathi unobu DJ Maphorisa. Now we know that DJ Maphorisa once trended about a lot of things that they are all wrong, and a lot of things that artists they are saying DJ Maphorisa uyazenza kuye, even though wakhipha i-statement saying ama-artists amaningi they are the wrong ones and they don't understand this thing, ama-split sheet and what. But ke Ubabete bathi is also doing the same. Ke kulukompa they don't have this thing ukuthi kubhalwa ama-shares nani ama-split sheet, but bathi if uyenza ingoma nawe uyenza ingoma nami. So Ubabete bathi if uyenza ingoma kuye, if akafuni ukuyirelease that song anyeke azayirelease, which I think as Magatsheni it's a wrong thing because iLikompo genre is something that now many of people they listen to it, and I really enjoyed, guys, interview yaka Tribe. I'll just say abantu bahambe bayomamela, you'll get to know more about the genre. And as one thing mina ayishilo engayithandanga is that uthi bona as ama-compo artist they don't wanna sing or they don't wanna do music with amanye ama-artist or amanye ama-genre, hence ingoma kaZile bangayithandi as ama-compo artist. I felt like maybe ngifile as if it's not a good thing to say, or I wish mina ukuthi bacule namanye ama-genre because I'm Zulu and I do listen to Zulu music. I just felt as if bangahlangana it will be a bomb music, but if they feel like that there's nothing wrong. But that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.